where was England now as a power in Europe?
So in some ways, England is quite a peripheral power in the world, certainly. The kind of it's not central. It's on the edges of maps at this time, because people weren't aware of the things that lay to the west. And when we think globally, all these luxurious products were coming from the east, places, these rich realms in India and further east. So England is on the edges compared to that. And in Europe, it has aspirations to be more important. But as I was just saying, Latin and French are the important languages, for instance. France is a more important power with a far more authoritative monarchy as well. The Holy Roman Empire, which stretched across many lands, which are now Germany and around Germany and northern Italy, was still a very important power. Of course, the papacy and the different states in Italy, lots of those countries, city-states, were important as well. So England is a player, certainly, but it's by no means dominating Europe. No one would have thought that. And at this time, it's fighting wars with France, and there's a kind of eddying tides of power and authority depending on who's winning. So there were some very dramatic victories in the mid 14th century by England in Poitiers and Crécy, for instance, in France. But then later on, it's not doing so well. And in the 15th century, so after Chaucer's death, that's when you get Agincourt and a brief kind of resurgence of England's power in the Hundred Years' War. But really, it's I suppose, a moderate European power at this time, starting to gain wealth through this wool trade.